Good morning, students. This video we are going to see Unit 16 Plant and Animal Hormone in the reproductive glands and thymus glands. Last video, the same unit we saw adrenal gland. This video we are going to see reproductive glands and thymus glands. Let's see one by one in detail. First one, reproductive gland. Reproductive glands are testes and ovaries. Testes are male reproductive organ. Testes are male reproductive organ. This is the testes. Testes are composed seminiferous tubules. Inside the testes, seminiferous tubules are there. Inside the seminiferous tubules, Leydig cells and Sertoli cells are there. Leydig cells and Sertoli cells together join, form the male endocrine gland, that is testes, form testes. The Leydig cells and Sertoli cells form endocrine part, that is testes. Testes secrete male sex hormone testosterone. Male sex hormone testosterone. Now, functions of testosterone. Testosterone influence the process of spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis is sperm formation. The testosterone influences the process of spermatogenesis. It stimulates protein synthesis and control muscular growth. It stimulates protein synthesis, protein create, control muscular growth. It is responsible for the development of secondary sexual growth. Secondary sexual growth means in male distribution of body hair, epidermal hair and face, deep voice pattern, etc. Deep voice pattern, etc. Some changes in the male person during the secretion of testosterone during the puberty. Female reproductive organ. Female reproductive organ, ovary. Ovary is located in the pelvic cavity of the abdomen. Pelvic cavity, hip region. Pelvic cavity means hip region. Pelvic cavity of the abdomen. The female endocrine gland secrete two hormones, that is estrogen and progesterone. Secretes female sex hormone estrogen and progesterone. First, estrogen is produced by the Graafian follicle. In the ovary, Graafian follicle is secrete estrogen. And progesterone is secreted by corpus luteum. Progesterone is secreted by corpus luteum. These two hormones form the peptide ovule follicle during ovulation. These two hormones ruptured a follicle during ovulation. Now, functions of estrogen. Two hormones. First hormone, estrogen. Functions of estrogen. Estrogen brings about the changes that occur during puberty. Puberty means start to first ovulation, that is puberty. During puberty, some changes bring some changes in the female. It initiates the process of oogenesis. Oogenesis means ovum formation, egg formation. Oogenesis means egg formation. The estrogen initiates the process of oogenesis. It stimulates the maturation of ovarian follicle in the ovary. In the ovary, many ovarian follicles are there that stimulate the maturation of ovarian follicle. It promotes the development of secondary sexual character, breast development, high pitch voice, etc. It promotes the development of secondary sexual characters such as breast development, high pitched voice, etc. Now, functions of progesterone. Female sex hormone 2. First one estrogen, second one progesterone. Now we see progesterone, functions of progesterone in the it is responsible for premenstrual changes of the uterus. Menstrual cycle is 28 days once. That before the cycle, that some changes occur in the uterus. Due to these hormone only, the changes will occur in the uterus. It prepares the uterus for the implantation of embryo. It prepares the uterus for the implantation of the embryo. It maintains pregnancy. The hormone maintains the pregnancy. It protects the pregnancy. It is essential for the formation of placenta. Placenta is a bag-like structure. Inside the bag only baby will be there. The placenta is formed by the progesterone. Next, thymus gland. Thymus gland is partially endocrine gland and partially lymphoid gland. Thymus gland is partially endocrine gland and partially lymphoid gland. We saw about the lymph gland in the circulatory system. Lymph gland is like a blood circulation. That lymphoid gland, partially lymphoid gland is thymus gland. Thymus gland is partially endocrine gland, partially lymphoid gland. It is located in the upper part of the chest, covering the lower end of trachea. It is located upper part of the chest, covering lower end of trachea. The thymus gland secrete thymosin. Thymus gland secrete thymosin. Functions of thymosin. Thymosin stimulatory effect. Stimulatory means start, increase the effect. The immune function. Stimulatory effect on the immune function. It stimulates the production and differentiation of lymphocytes. Lymphocytes is the white blood cells. White blood cells is 5 types. In that, lymphocytes is one type. Stimulate the production. It increase the production. Stimulate the production. It increase the production of lymphocytes by thymosin. Thank you. Thank you, children.